is mine before I present, or we present, Sahir Ludhianvi's poem. This first poem came out of a poetry project that I did with my students, where they had small structures in which they had to write their poems. And they asked me if I could write one. And I was hesitant because I don't consider myself a poet. So I wrote a poem about not being a poet. I'm going to read it first in Urdu, and then I did actually a verse translation of it with English rhymes. So I'll read that one too, and then we'll present the Sahir Ludhianvi. देखा है प्यार शायरी में ऊब जाता है, दोहराए लफ्ज़ों में घुटकर डूब जाता है। देखा है प्यार शायरी में ऊब जाता है, दोहराए लफ्ज़ों में घुटकर डूब जाता है। वही हुस्न व इश्क के पागल दीवाने, वही जलती शमा पे मरते परवाने, वही बहार, वही फूल, वही इंतज़ार, वही भूल। मगर अगर किसी के लफ्ज़ों की नाजुक लय पर दिल निखर जाए, बिखर जाए, है शायर वही, मैं शायर नहीं। And the English translation, which I also did, which rhymes. I have seen in poetry, love goes stale. Drowned in the same old words, it grows pale. The same lust and beauty's crazy yearning, the same moths dying on flames burning, the same spring, the same rose, the same longing, the same woes. But if on words of tender meter, hearts glitter, hearts shatter, indeed that one ought to be a poet. I am not. So after declaring that I'm not a poet, we are actually going to read a beautiful Urdu shairi, a poem, a nazm of Sahir Ludhianvi ji. How many of you know or have heard about Sahir Ludhianvi? Yes. He's one of the greatest poets actually of Hindi and Urdu poetry in general, but many of us know him through his songwriting in Hindi films. And he has this amazing ability to use extremely simple words and penetrate through our emotions. And this poem is actually the original Urdu version of the song that we all know from Kabhi Kabhi, Kabhi Kabhi Mere Dil Mein Khayal Aata Hai. So this is the original Urdu version. But what we're going to do is we're going to read the English translation for all of you first, because there are some Urdu words which we may not be familiar with, which may get lost if we read the Urdu poem first. So we're going to do the English translation, which I did yesterday. Leaving aside all UH business, I was obsessed with this poem all day, yesterday and today. So this is the translation, my translation that I'm going to read. I'll read the first half and Sharatji will read the second half, and then we'll do the same thing with the Urdu poem itself. So this is a translation of Kabhi Kabhi Mere Dil Mein Khayal Aata Hai. Sometimes this thought passes through my heart. Sometimes this thought passes through my heart, that life could well have been blissful had it passed in the soft shade of your hair. This darkness that is the fate of my being, this darkness that is the fate of my being, could well have vanished in the light of your eyes. It wouldn't be unthinkable that I, a stranger to pain, would be lost in the elegance of your beauty. Your delicate body, your half-closed eyes, I would be immersed in these graceful stories. When the bitterness of life would call after me, I would drink sips of sweetness from your lips. The world would wander in the desert, screaming, exposed, and I would hide in the shadow of your abundant hair. But this didn't come to pass.
So this didn't come true. It's okay. All this is fantasy. Nothing comes true, and then his life falls apart. And the rest of this poem is about dark streets, long shadows, thorny roads, and empty heart. So we'll now do the Urdu translation, Urdu poem. But this didn't come to pass. And now it is so that neither you nor your sorrow nor your desire remain. Life is passing away as if it does not even long for togetherness. I have embraced all the sorrows of the world, walking through some unknown streets. Horrific shadows charge towards me from the thorny thickets of life and death. There is no path, there is no destination, nor a hint of life. In this very emptiness, I will be lost one day. I know this, my darling, my love, but yet sometimes this thought passes through my heart.
So now the Urdu version. कभी कभी मेरे दिल में ख्याल आता है, कभी कभी मेरे दिल में ख्याल आता है कि जिंदगी तेरी जुल्फों की नर्म छाँव में गुजरने पाती, कि जिंदगी तेरी जुल्फों की नर्म छाँव में गुजरने पाती तो शादाब हो भी सकती थी। ये तीरगी जो मेरी ज़ीस्त का मुक़द्दर है, ये तीरगी जो मेरी ज़ीस्त का मुक़द्दर है, तेरी नज़र के शुआओं में खो भी सकती थी। अजब न था कि मैं बेगाना-ए अलम रहकर, अजब न था कि मैं बेगाना-ए अलम रहकर तेरे जमाल की रानाइयों में खो रहता। तेरा गुदाज बदन, तेरी नींदबाज आँखें, इन्हीं हसीन फसानों में महक हो रहती। पुकारती मुझे जब तलखियाँ ज़माने की, पुकारती मुझे जब तलखियाँ ज़माने की, तेरे लबों से हलावत के घूंट पी लेता। हयात चीखती फिरती बरहना सर और मैं, हयात चीखती फिरती बरहना सर और मैं घनेरी जुल्फों के साए में छुप के जी लेता। मगर ये हो न सका,
मगर ये हो न सका। और अब ये आलम है कि तू नहीं, तेरा गम, तेरी जुस्तजू भी नहीं। गुजर रही है कुछ इस तरह जिंदगी जैसे, गुजर रही है कुछ इस तरह जिंदगी जैसे उसे किसी के सहारे की आरज़ू भी नहीं। ज़माने भर के दुखों को लगा चुका हूँ, ज़माने भर के दुखों को लगा चुका हूँ गले। गुजर रहा हूँ कुछ अनजानी राहगुजारों से, गुजर रहा हूँ कुछ अनजानी राहगुजारों से। मुहित साए मेरी सिमत बढ़ते आते हैं, मुहित साए मेरी सिमत बढ़ते आते हैं। हयात व मौत के पुरहोल खानजारों से। न कोई ज़्यादा न मंजिल न रोशनी का सुराग, न कोई ज़्यादा न मंजिल न रोशनी का सुराग। भटक रही है खलाओं में ज़िंदगी मेरी, इन्हीं खलाओं में रह जाऊंगा कभी खोकर। मैं जानता हूँ मेरी हम नफस, मैं जानता हूँ मेरी हम नफस, मगर यूं ही कभी कभी मेरे दिल में ख्याल आता है।